Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So let me explain to you guys what happened, because I know a lot of you probably know that I mentioned before that I was going on a diet, So what happened was, if it is your first time here, my name is Tamika and I'm happy to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get into the explanation. So what happened was, I did the surgery and I could not do exercise while I was healing, because all the muscles in your body are connected, right? So then it would put pressure on my eye, so I had to put it off. So now that I'm about 1 month post-op, yes, over a month post-op, I decided I'm gonna go with it this month, May. So we're starting at the beginning of May. We're doing it for 1 month, so from the beginning of May to the end of May, and we're gonna see the results. So this is day 1 of the actual diet, and my daughter made this overnight oats, and it is chocolate banana. So trust me, I'll probably leave the recipe. If you're interested, let me know and I'll leave the recipe in the description box, right? But all she did was leave the oats to soak overnight with cocoa powder. It's a whole deal, trust me. But it looks so appealing. So this is breakfast, right? I think this is gonna be so good. So as I say, this is the beginning of the diet, and this is just oats with a whole shebang of niceness. Let me know if you want the recipe. So guys, last night, or yesterday evening, which turned into the night, we went grocery shopping. But when I got back, I wanted to do with you guys like a haul, show you what I got again. But when we got back, it was so late and we were so tired, it couldn't happen. But there are a few important stuff that I want to share with you guys, so let me show you. Oh, and guys, don't look too close at the lashes, okay? Your girl is learning. She's still trying, okay? But the glue says let it dry for 20 to 30 seconds, and believe it or not, these lashes took me 30 minutes to put on. Okay, so anyways, let's move on. These are just a few of the stuff that I got last night, right? I'm so excited to try this. So if you notice, this says keto, and this is the rice broccoli and the rice cauliflower. These, I'm not so excited. My daughter bought this. I love broccoli. I'm a broccoli lover. I love broccoli, so I'm excited to try this. And I bought this shrimp, garlic blend. So I think I'm gonna share these two at some point for dinner. You'll see. I'll probably do this today. And I don't know if you know, but whenever you're restricted from eating something or whatever, that is when you're gonna want it the most. So I found this ice cream. A matter of fact, I did not find it. I saw Dominique A. I don't know if y'all ever see her channel. She's like complete keto diet. So I saw her saying this is what she have. So you probably just have 1 scoop of this and you're good. So I bought this just in case I have ice cream craving, but I don't think I will. Then we also bought 2 packs of this, because this is gonna be lunch/breakfast for smoothie, mostly for Shamoya. And again, I bought a pack of this. This is the large, super soft wraps for like tacos. And see, it is 5-gram net carbs, so it's carb balance. So this is perfect. So these are just a few of the stuff that I bought. I also bought like chicken, oats, because we're gonna do, like I show you that she did for breakfast. So we're gonna do that for most of the mornings for breakfast, the oats. Yeah, so we're gonna do that for most of the morning for breakfast, the oats. And what else did we buy? Oh, I bought a broccoli stir fry mix, so it's like just a vegetable mix. I also bought kale, so I can make kale for dinner at some point. And I think for most part that's basically it. So our diet is gonna be fish, chicken, and broccoli rice, cauliflower rice, and tacos. So if you want to see what we eat over here for this 1 month, I say I'm doing it for 1 month, so I'm going at it aggressively. Like, even this ice cream, I doubt I'm gonna touch it because I'm going at this aggressively. Because at the end of this month, honey, I want to see results. Okay, so I'm going at it aggressively, and we're gonna see how much pounds your girl can lose. So here we go, guys. This is a smoothie for lunch. So I think this is just a fruit, and she top it off with strawberry and mango, I think. So one for her, one for me, and of course the more beautiful one is for moi. But yeah, this is lunch. So guys, I did take some before and after pictures. Well, some before pictures so that I can make the comparison after the month is finished, so that I can have before and after pictures. And as you see, I just weighed myself. I'm gonna put a clip here so you can see my weight now. Oh my god, almost 200 pounds. Not good, not good at all. And I did measure my waist this morning. I think it's 38 or something like that. So we're gonna work it off. I'm so excited. At one point yesterday, I'm like, as I was telling my husband, I'm like, I don't know. Honestly, I'm okay with my weight. I don't feel sluggish. I don't feel overweight. I don't feel like I can hardly make it or whatever. I feel okay in my body. So I just want to lose the gut. I have this big gut from the baby, and I need it to be gone. But my weight overall, I'm fine with it. Literally, I'm fine with it. I like the way I look. It's just the gut. So if I could lose the gut and keep the weight, I'm fine. But we're gonna lose the weight anyway and lose the gut. So yeah, it's dinner time. Yes, hungry. So well, I ain't the chef. Shamar is the chef. She's about to make dinner, and as I say, we're doing this shrimp pack. So excited to try this because it's garlic shrimp, and she's gonna do saute. She's gonna saute a little bit of the broccoli, stir fry. Yes, and we're using olive oil to do all of that. So I'm so excited to try it, and I'm so hungry. So yes, guys, so that is the shrimp, and let me show you the broccoli rice, or the riced broccoli. Bear in mind that it's going to be my first time trying this, so I don't know what it tastes like, but I'm excited. And the reason why I'm excited is because I'm a broccoli lover. I love broccoli. So this is what it looks like. You can see the texture is kind of weird. I'm excited to try it and see what it tastes like. So dinner is gonna be ready in about 2 seconds. Okay guys, so this is it. This is a simple, I hope delicious, keto dinner. Healthy. So we're about to dig in. And of course I have my water. So we're gonna try it. It tastes like mostly broccoli. All I'm getting is broccoli. I don't taste any weird flavor or anything, which is definitely not salty. It's good. So I believe this is a great substitute for rice. I mean, it tastes good, so I can probably make this with chicken because it tastes really good, and it's kind of bland. So whatever you make with it, like right now I use, each time I put a spoon in my mouth, I try to put a shrimp with it just to get the flavor. So if I were supposed to make this with rice, with chicken, then I'll do the same thing. I'll make sure to put the chicken gravy over it, and each time I eat it, I eat chicken with it to actually give you more of a flavor. But other than that, I think it's good. It's good. And as I say, I'm a broccoli lover, so whatever. Whew. That was so good. I'm not even kidding you. That was so good. So stick around so that you all can see what I eat the next time I'm hungry. Because notice what time is it now? It is 4 o'clock, literally 4 o'clock on the dot. So it's 4 o'clock now. So it's not about if I'm gonna get hungry, it's when I'm gonna get hungry. So I don't know what I'm gonna make yet the next time I'm hungry, but this is an interesting journey. So, and here I got my water. Making sure that I stay hydrated. Oh, and what I forgot to tell you guys, I am not going to like be one of those person that step on the scale every day and freak myself out. My plan is, you see, I stepped on the scale today at the beginning of it. I won't step on the scale again until at the end. Yes, I know, that's interesting, but that's how I plan on doing it. So it's gonna be a surprise for us both at the end. So anyways, I'm actually editing a video that is gonna go live Tuesday. Today is Sunday, by the way, Sunday the 2nd. So I'm editing a video that's gonna go live Tuesday, so I'm gonna get back to that now, and I'll see you guys again the next time I'm hungry. Okay. So guess what? I'm hungry. I am what? Hungry. And it is now 16 minutes after 7. That's a good break, right? Don't you think? The last time I ate, I told you it was 4 o'clock. I know it is after 7. In other words, yummy. But yeah. So now I'm going to make a snack because I'm not going to eat past 8 o'clock. I don't know if I mentioned that before. So this would be my last meal. No snack or whatever for the rest of the night. And so I'm going to make a snack and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. It's going to be quick and easy, and let's go. Okay, so this is it. I add a little bit of salsa, a little cheese, the rice that I had earlier, the broccoli keto rice, eggs, and what did I say? Salsa, cheese, the keto rice, broccoli rice, and eggs. So that's it, and that's a wrap. Literally. Literally, that's a wrap.